The Move Inventory workflow allows you to manage and distribute your Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, or AWD, inventory. You have the option to choose SKUs to be auto-replenished to FBA when your FBA inventory gets low. When auto-replenishment isn't enough to meet expected sales, you can request additional inventory be sent to FBA. You can also send your AWD inventory in bulk to your own warehouse. Third-party warehouses, wholesalers, and distributors with AWD's multi-channel distribution capability. To initiate a move, select Move Inventory on the AWD program page. If you are moving within the Amazon network, select FBA Replenishment under Distribution Type. If you are moving to off-Amazon locations, on the Move From Storage page, select Off-Amazon Distribution under Distribution Type. Then select the origin warehouse from the Move From dropdown and the destination from the Destination dropdown. To add channels and destinations, click Manage Destinations when selecting the Off-Amazon Distribution option in the Move Inventory workflow. Then enter the channel and destination information, then click Save. Next, select the SKUs you want to move by entering the number of boxes to move. Click Confirm to confirm the move, and then click Review Move Request. On the Review Move Request page, confirm the move request by clicking Confirm Move Request. Once you see the confirmation page, your move request has been completed.